I mean, long story short, pre-filled pod systems are basically going away.
They're going to be around, but people aren't going to want to buy them anymore.
So they're limiting the number of flavors you can have pretty much down to mint and menthol flavors, which is traditional for cigarettes.
Whoa, dude.
This will only be in like sheets and shit like that, you know,
Yeah.
like convenience stores. Vape shops will still have flavors. They'll still have pods with flavors, all that kind of stuff, but they will not be allowed to sell them in convenience stores.
So your brick and mortar shops like Sheetz, Wawa, or wherever you're from, you can't go in and buy these pods anymore. And one thing I've noticed Juul is starting to do is they're going to be releasing pods with 0.3 as opposed to 0.5. Have you heard about that?
No, I'm not.
I have a friend who buys pods, and he said the dude at the counter was talking to him about that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how much that helps keep it out of the hands of kids. The flavors thing definitely makes sense, and I'm glad they didn't go like all the way and just eliminate flavors in general.
I'm very happy that they're limiting it only to pre-filled pods and not vape juices in general.
Well, it's not that. It's just like brick and mortar shops won't be allowed to have flavors no matter what it is, whether it's juice or pre-filled pods. You're still going to be able to sell pre-filled pods with flavors, just online and in vape shops only.
Well, lucky for you guys, there's a huge variety of online retailers who provide good links and good prices for devices and juices. We have some link down below, so you should go check them out if you're looking into getting flavored pods, flavored juices.
Yeah, you may want to start, watching our videos now, so that whenever this does go into effect, you don't get stuck with your Juul that can only vape shit tobacco flavor.
Now their mint flavor isn't bad.
Their mint flavor is good, but will it be the same?
That's true.
Will they keep it the same flavor? Is it going to be like a menthol cigarette? Is more.
Exactly. I have no
I'm
idea.
not sure.
When we learn new things about it, we'll be sure to share them with you guys. That's pretty much where we're at right now. 60 days ago, the FDA sanctioned Juul.
60 days ago, I was a little bit pissed off at Juul and at the FDA because the FDA was using Juul to kind of like try to fuck over more
Little smear
people.
campaign, yeah.
And as what they've done so far, I'm not as pissed off. It does hurt Sheetz and those kind of like Wawa and all that stuff, but they make plenty of money anyway. So
exactly, yeah.
Fuck them. And it might hurt Juul too, but this is Juul's fault. So they obviously have the ability to create a product that everybody likes. So they're gonna get it, they're gonna make something new. They're gonna do something where they're gonna stay afloat.
And this is gonna help the mom and pop shops, the local vape town, vape shops, because you can't buy your products anywhere else but there now, which I think is cool. Bring the business back home, which is great.
If you look at the market, Juul holds over half of the market. I think what I read was that it's 2/3 of the market.
It's something crazy like that, yeah.
Of the entire vape market, which is they don't need that. They don't need that. That's outrageous if you ask me.
That means they made a killer product.
They did, and
something
they're gonna do it
popular.
again.
So yeah,
It's
they'll
gonna
bounce
happen.
back for sure. So that's about all we really have to say on this topic. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like these kind of videos or vape reviews or anything like that, make sure to check out some of our other videos. We've got plenty on those.
Yeah, and hit your subscribe button. Right down there.
Yeah.
And like the video. Do all that shit. And stay tuned for the videos for the rest of the week. We got a couple reviews coming at you and we got some fun shit going on.
That's right. And if you read the newsletter, you know we're getting a device that has no coils in it or anything, which is crazy. And I can't wait to review that.
Yeah.
That's going to be nuts. But stay tuned for that, guys. And until next time, peace out.